The geoscience programs in Earth and Atmospheric Sciences provide students with outstanding opportunities to learn skills and apply classroom knowledge in practical, real-life settings. With field schools, students earn credit for intense, immersive field experiences in a variety of locations. Ranging from paleontology field schools just outside of Edmonton to field school for advanced geological mapping on the Canadian Shield with scientists at the Northwest Territories Geological Survey. In this short video, we'll look at the structure of the geoscience field schools and briefly introduce you to some of the highlights and learning objectives of these field schools. Some field schools are optional electives that enrich a student's program of study. These include EAS 110, EAS 429, and Paleo 400. EAS 110 is a one-week introduction to field geoscience in Alberta and British Columbia. EAS 429 is an advanced Northwest Territories geology field school, and Paleo 400 is an optional but recommended field school for students in the paleontology degree program. For students in a program of study that leads to registration as a professional geoscientist, some field schools are required. EAS 234 Geology Field School is the foundational field learning experience for all degree programs. Students in the geology specialization are also required to take EAS 333 Advanced Field School, while students in the Environmental Earth Sciences program are required to complete EAS 354, an Environmental Earth Sciences Field School held in either the Canadian Rocky Mountains or Costa Rica. Let's start with EAS 110, Earth Sciences Field School. This introductory field school, intended for first and second year students, is designed to appeal to all students, not just those enrolled in a geoscience degree program. The only prerequisite is completion of the introductory Earth and Atmospheric Sciences course, EAS 100. Students and faculty spend 1 week traveling by chartered bus from Edmonton to southern Alberta, into southeastern BC and up to Jasper National Park before returning to Edmonton, with basic hotel accommodation and numerous stops along the way. In EAS 110, students learn about the geological history of the region, including why it looks the way it does, and gain an appreciation of our natural landscape. Skills taught include how to make and record field observations, the use of a compass, and proper taking of field notes. This is a fun class designed to provide students from any discipline the opportunity to explore and learn about the spectacular landscape in their own backyard. EAS 234 Geology Field School is a challenging and rewarding foundational geoscience course that is required for students in the geology, environmental earth sciences, and paleontology honors and specialization degree programs. Currently, this course is offered in the Crow's Nest Pass area of the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Students and faculty travel by chartered bus with hotel accommodation in Coleman, Alberta. In EAS 234, students observe and interpret sedimentary rocks in a spectacular mountain setting and study many of the important geological units of Western Canada. Finally, they learn how to safely conduct geoscience fieldwork. Through exercises and independent projects, students learn to describe and measure rocks and prepare a geological map that displays and interprets their own geological data and observations. These important field skills are foundational elements of more advanced geoscience coursework at the 3rd and 4th years. EAS 333 is a 12-day advanced geology field school that builds on the skills developed in EAS 234. This capstone field course is required for students in the geology specialization and honors degree programs. In this course, students are exposed to a variety of rock types and geological processes while crossing from the sedimentary rocks of the Rocky Mountains into the igneous and highly metamorphosed rocks of interior British Columbia. In alternating years, the course will focus on the rocks and processes associated with ore deposits, along with mapping techniques for mineral exploration. Students are challenged with daily assignments and a final 3-day mapping project, all of which require a high level of independence and integration of classroom concepts in mineralogy, geochemistry, and structural geology. The traditional mapping techniques are complemented by state-of-the-art digital mapping hardware and software. As a result, students come out of this field school with an excellent foundation for future careers in the geosciences and with a solidified peer network. EAS 354 is the Environmental Earth Sciences Field School. Like the Advanced Geology Field School we just presented, this field course builds on the foundation of second-year field school, but with an emphasis on knowledge and skills gained from more advanced study of environmental geoscience. This field course is required for students in the Environmental Earth Sciences specialization and honors degree programs. It is currently offered as 2 different courses with unique learning objectives. The Canadian Rockies Environmental Earth Sciences Field School is held in the foothills and Rocky Mountains of Western Alberta. Students gain hands-on experience in field techniques for stream monitoring, environmental geochemistry and microbiology, and describing and mapping surface sediments and landforms. They also learn firsthand how dynamic mountain environments have changed over recent millennia, centuries, and decades. The field school also emphasizes professional skills such as field safety and logistics, daily computer-based data analyses, and proposal writing. The Costa Rica Environmental Earth Science Field School focuses on understanding ecological and environmental processes in different types of tropical forest. Students study the impacts of climate change on fragile tropical ecosystems and learn how these ecosystems are responding and adapting to climate change. During practical exercises and field projects, students learn traditional techniques for characterizing important aspects of climate and forest ecosystems, as well as state-of-the-art tools like terrestrial laser scanning and wireless sensor networks. Paleo 400 is a capstone paleontology field school that teaches students the techniques of field collection, curation, and analysis of fossils at a major dinosaur bone bed site within Edmonton's city limits. The field school is an optional but recommended course for students enrolled in the paleontology honors or specialization degree program. Students complete assignments in the field and prepare written reports and presentations based on the data they collect over the course of the field school. Since the Paleontology Field School started in 2006, students and faculty have excavated tons of rock while collecting numerous fossil specimens from at least 17 unique dinosaurs and leading to several scholarly publications initiated by participating students. The last field-based course we'll discuss is the EAS 429 Northwest Territories Geology Field School. In this field school, a select group of 6 students work alongside EAS professors and scientists from the Northwest Territories Geological Survey to map and interpret the complex geology in an understudied area of the Canadian Shield. The field school is held at different remote geological field camps each year, typically within a 250-kilometer radius of Yellowknife. Travel to the field is typically by chartered float plane, with transport within the field by boat or on foot. Students participating in the NWT Field School learn advanced geological skills and gain valuable experience with logistics and safety considerations of fieldwork in the far north, all of which are great benefits for future careers in exploration geoscience. Field schools are a key part of the university experience for students who embark on a geoscience degree program in the Department of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences. Faculty and staff are actively planning how to deliver safe and effective field school experiences in our current COVID reality, while looking forward to a time when our field schools can return to normal operations. Faculty and staff are also adept at optimizing the field school experience for students with mobility challenges. Field schools are challenging, with long days spent outdoors solving complex geoscience problems, taking careful observations, and writing up assignments in the evening. But field schools are also exceptionally rewarding, with the satisfaction of meeting these challenges with a group of fellow students in spectacular settings. For many students and faculty, field school is a highlight of the academic year, a chance to apply lecture hall theory to real-world problems and make connections that extend well into professional careers. We hope this brief look at geoscience field schools gives you a sense of the many options for field learning in geoscience degree programs through the Department of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences. We hope you'll join us.